you know, like, everybody wants to say something, but it's just God's sound. So then all these people were like, oh, I was privy to all these conversations. If I was a writer, when you think about those cheeseburgers, the only thing that matters is the pickles. Everything else is like just texture. Yep. Maybe the onion. You know, I was in Eastern Europe and visiting McDonald's in like Romania. I have a mind. Better than people are super easy to work there. They have like cheesecake, you know, like real.
Not right now.
You
But it
know,
was still the same birth.
no, it's not the same. I was in Istanbul too. Are you Turkish? What's different? I think they have regulations over there. Like it has to be
What is it? It's not me.
I will tell you, I'm not a visitor of McDonald's that much.
You just said you ate there.
That's because I was with some people and they're like, we should go check this for me.
Got one of them.
And I was like, all right. And I was like, wow. Everybody looks really healthy in here and it's healthy food. And, you know, and then I was in Italy and I was training in Bologna and I was like, I'm visiting with some friends after I left. And then I grabbed like a McDonald's to grab something to go on the train. And it was like a real hamburger, spinach, and some
From McDonald's?
yeah, some amazing cheese, like real bacon, and like the bread was real, and the beef. Oh, wow! Why can't you do this? You know, and it costs half as much. Rome's half the price of Pittsburgh. It's amazing. Yes, not the same thing.
Close to minutes to meat.
Yeah. I think there are regulations. There are regulations like you can't be.
But they buy all their beef from us. We sell beef to the whole world. I have a mic.
We're also.
Were you going to be on his?
You're also not allowed.
Do you have an XLR?
You know how they have. You know how they have like red
Meerkats.
I have a mic. Do you have an XLR?
Not at this time. I'm sure the sheriff said don't talk to anybody.
We will know because a number of them have to be.
Oh, that's going to be a problem.
totally blew me away. I mean, you're like if they open that door before you get real work. Big problem.
Sure that's clear.
Beautiful.
Is there glass?
I mean, the policeman is making sure the back seat is clear.
Yeah. Turkish McDonald's. And then there's American McDonald's. It'll make you sick. Also, when you have you're like, but why go to McDonald's? Or Istanbul? It's so much food.
Just because you don't want to eat something that's going to mess up your stomach.
Yeah.
Hey, Tad. Yeah, I'll take them. Yeah. You want to come around this way?
We're gonna get on sticks.
No. You might as well stay here, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna go maybe like on the other end.
Yeah, or just go low. Yeah, go at the other end. Am I taking that with me, or are you taking it back to Philly?
Sounds like they want to leave it here.
You're staying here?
That's what it sounds like.
Okay, like overnight.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, then you should keep it.
Okay. Do we have to pay with this or not?
If they're not asking for it.
Okay.
What happened? It wasn't working.
Yeah, when I went down, it just I just couldn't get it back up. It's disconnect, and once I reconnect it, it wouldn't work. The signal's too weak. But I think someone else are on it as well. So like once a couple of people left, the signal goes up to like 2,000. It was like at 60.
Huh. And it was still on the Wi-Fi, huh?
Yeah.
Do you have my microphones and stuff?
Yeah.
You had to have a pizza?
Earlier today.
How come? Where do you go to school? Like up here? Or like, yeah. You're studying what?
Car.
That's another thing that's really funny. Yeah, I mean, if you guys gotta back up a little bit, please. Sweet rum.
You guys have any timing updates?
Nope.
What time's that building close?
What's up?
What time's that building close? 4? Because I still have some gear downstairs.
Opens at 8.
Listen, we are going to ask you if we're going to be pulling out and going.
Which way are you going?
Same
so we
spiel
can
that we
stay
had
out
the
of
last
your
time.
way?
You got to give us room.
Yeah.
Can we ask
No
which
problem.
way you're going so we don't get in your way?
Yeah, no, I know that. Yeah, we actually have 2 different things happening here now. So one's not anything you guys are going to care about. I assume they're going to go out that. This car's going to, they're going to go down. Okay?
Thank you.
I just, again, I asked for cooperation.
How long do you think it might be?
I'm asking you again for your cooperation. When they load him, you're going to drive down the alley this way. Get out of the alley. Thank you, Sheriff Paul. Very well.
Hey, Bonnie. Should we have Kim come over here? What? Should we have Kim come over here? Why? Get another. Oh, you can. That's fine. But it'll take some.
Looks like they're asking for a live. They're asking for the live shot.
It's not who you're looking for, I promise.
Promise?
Yeah. Unless you think there's no reason for me to lie to you guys.
Just testing.
You said it's not working though?
Well, not down there, but it's working. Hi, good to see you again. Good to see you. Just fire it up. Do you want me to hold that? Do you want to switch it to
Yeah,
tripod?
can you hold it for 1 second?
Sure.
So it's still powering up.
Do you want to switch to tripod or no?
No.
Want me to hit?
Yeah, just hit stop.
Thanks. I like the camera lens.
And let's
The battery?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
Hey Robert, I'm here with Taff. We're about to come back up. It should be up now. You can see it?
Yeah, it's up.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they're gonna bring him out this way. I mean, she could go down there. They're gonna bring him out. Okay, that's just good. Yeah, okay. So Tass, they want you to go down just in case, because yesterday he exited on Union Street, which is just you go down here and make a right, and there's an exit right there.
Yeah, I think I see a little tiny.
Yeah, that's where he exited last night. So.
All right. I don't think I might end up not fucking that right.
Can you hold this for 1 second?
Sure.
Battery. Yeah, it never shows up, right?
Yeah, it doesn't.
We've given this lunatic enough press already, right?
Oh, it's a little bit out.
Okay.
You're good?
Very good.
I still have your microphone and cable with me. We'll sort it out
Okay, yeah.
later.
I still have a bunch of stuff inside, too.
Oh. All right, I'll be in Vienna.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I'll give you a second.
Look at that, dude. When I was there, there was always the system is broken, not me. And now, here at Central Morning Church, that last while. Eduardo, they all came out. Like there was a whole bunch of them. The court officers that came
All the
out.
cops come.
Yeah, you'll know where.
No, I'm not worried about that. No, he's asking about the guy which side you are.
Yeah, I mean he'll have a head-on shot, right, for just a couple seconds. From over there.
Hopefully. He'll have,
I mean, if he's standing over there, he'll have a. He'll turn towards us for a second. The door will probably open.
He sees us, he's gonna be like screaming, peeking at the guy. He's in the camera. That's what he's looking for. He's looking for.
their people are going to be down below there. They're going to open the door. The door's going to
Don't worry, yeah, have a nice shot.
We'll see his face for like 5 seconds.
maybe. Unless there's a couple cops in front of us. It's so close to the wall there. It'd be much better if it came to this. What part of America? No, but my best friend is a photographer in the wall. He passed away. He was there on the but he always used to tell me that my wife was having to go. I work at the
Microphone.
it's in the bag. Early on. Garage was over every and people used to come visit him in New York all the time too. Never had any problem like his American friends come here, so we're not able to fight with him. He was on television talking about that. World news. I'd like to go to the have you been back? What do you think of everything transpiring in Syria? Do you think it will have an impact on your life? There's going to be a lot of
No more using that door until you no more using that door.
Political situations completely different by 2014. In 2014, Prime Minister Maliki
Thanks for humoring me while I speak.
Are you living in New York?
New Jersey, working in
Do you like it? I love New York. I live in Pittsburgh.
Oh, really?
You see here. So we probably worked right next to each other.
Yeah,
I worked here hope they take back bucks.
I hope this happens.
So you know what's going to happen is one guy's going to come out and open that door up first, and then we're all going to be screwed. So
Exactly. He's gonna go on that side.
they're going to go on that side, I'm sure.
They're gonna go on this side.
No, they're going to go on that side because it's the closest to
Yeah, the door's gonna open to all the people down in front. How tall is that guy? He's like 6'1".
He's tall.
And he's gonna be backlit though. No. There's gonna be a whole bunch of
I was talking to my friend Jody. We've been here for decades. Never saw anybody act like that before. All the years we've sat, we've been here with people going in and out. Never saw anybody do anything like that before.
You mean go up the side?
React like that, yelling at people around.
Yeah, that was one of the best perk vlogs of all time.
I think, yeah.
He put my photo on
All of
CNN.
ours.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, of him like being killed by the guy.
Oh, I think I saw that. It's good, yeah.
It was lucky. I don't know if I'm gonna get it here.
You already got it.
Oh, yeah.
Or he'll have one of those cannibal
Who wants to read it?
Did you take that back? I thought I lost it. The battery. I took the one that, I literally thought I lost it. I was like looking around, like, did I put it down somewhere?
He almost, the one that I gave you,
What else is there?
is still a lot, but it's dangerous. It's good enough to power this thing, so.
It's cold-blooded first-degree murder. I mean, no question about that.
Shot in the back. Yeah, like justifiable manslaughter. Premeditated. Oh.
Great, that changed to a white guy. Oh, but I'm going to have to go from auto to auto.
So you guys live right there? It's a great little town. How many people live here?
Jeff, do you do much work in Pittsburgh, or you're always traveling?
Yeah, it's funny. Sometimes it's really great. Pittsburgh a lot. It was interesting that the assassination thing happened in Butler.
Yeah.
Were you there for that?
Yeah.
So you do a lot of the campaign stuff? Really?
But I was also covering Ohio. And South
Appalachian. But all for Get It.
I worked for the New York Times too. Washington Post a lot.
Okay, I'm ready to be
Any updates? Any updates?
You ready?
Okay.
Again, reminder,
pretty quickly. So hold on.
I'm gonna shoot
back for you. We're gonna put him in. We're gonna go that way. So all y'all need to make sure that they can make
Stay
it.
on my
Hey, Sheriff. Hey, Sheriff. Can you walk me through this door over here? You know?
Appreciate you asking, but no.
You have to ask. You know? That's gonna suck. What's happening, Luigi? What's going on, Luigi?
Luigi, it's me, Mario. Me, Mario.
Can't see him in the background.
Luigi, it's me, man.
Watch yourself.
Make sure you make room. Watch that ladder.
Stay off my property, guys. Come on now. I was like, stop.
Marianne, can they at least step back enough so we have room?
Yeah.
Just to make this quick, please.
Yeah.
I hate to have anybody toast me.
Good work, team. Good work. Sheriff, I still have a bag down in that basement area.
Sorry?
I still have some equipment down in that basement area from the new...
We should be able to let you in the front.
Still? Okay.
Thank you, Sheriff.
Thank you.
Good luck.
You too. Nice meeting you.
We bonded and now it's we went without a good bond.
All right.
What is Ted? Ted?
Be safe, guys. Be dry.
Okay, great. Maybe Beth and I will go over to the what's his name's office now. Yeah, and we'll send Kim home. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Beth, can we go to defense attorney's thing for Professor? Sorry. Can you do it?
I had three
That's
bites.
it. That'll be it.
I had 3 bites of the sandwich.
I know I haven't eaten today. That'll be it.
Soaking wet.
I just have to get my stuff out of Kim's car and then I'll transfer to your car.
You're not driving.
I wrote it down. I didn't hear what you said.
I said, you're not driving with me.
Oh, I never would have taken
How are
you.
you? This is Hussein.
Well, then you're really not driving.
All right, I'm gonna go.
I'm parked.
He's being treated fairly in custody?
I never got into that, and I won't get into that.
There was a request that you made, though, about informing the corrections department about something, and I didn't understand what you were asking. You were saying for the DA
I don't really. Oh no, I think all I asked was the shares to keep my client around for a little bit so I could talk.
And what did you discuss?
Well, I'm not going to tell you that. You're
Your
kidding,
client-
right? You've been on this.
Sir, your client said something to reporters as he was walking in about this being an insult to the American people. Do you have any comment on that?
I'll have to take a look at that. No, I don't have any comment on that. I just know that, I haven't seen it, so I can't comment on something I haven't seen or heard.
Any comment on the outpouring of support there's been for him online?
No, I mean, people are entitled to their opinion, and like I said, if you're an American, you believe in the American criminal justice system, you have to presume him to be innocent, and none of us would want anything other than that if that were us in those shoes, and so I'm glad he has some support.
Listen, Nick, you just said a moment ago that that's what lawyers do when telling their clients to be quiet. What did you mean by that?
Well, no, I mean, because I'm going to do all the talking, it's, you have the right to remain silent, and I believe in that right.
All right. And you are Thomas, T-H-O-M-A-S?
T-H-O-M-A-S, yes, middle initial M-D-I-C-K-U-R.
You still have plans to hold a press conference later today?
Yeah, a little bit. I'm sorry. You know what? I haven't received anything. I got paperwork, and I want to meet with the district attorney, and we'll have hearings. We'll be able to see all that, but I haven't seen anything.
Are you, as a human being, aware of what happened in New York over the last week? Were you aware of this before you were retained?
I mean, I don't have a whole lot of time to follow the news. I, of course, knew of it, but I don't follow a lot of things sometimes in the news because sometimes the press gets things wrong. Like I said, I was very irritated, getting some backlash already that some news agency had indicated we waived the we waived the extradition, and that's what irritates lawyers like me is if you're going to print it, get it right.
Do you find it surreal that you're now representing the guy they've been looking for?
Yeah, I don't know. No.
Is this the biggest case you've ever been on?
Yeah, they're all big. All my clients, whether it's a speeding ticket or whether it's a death penalty case, which I am qualified to do death penalty cases in Pennsylvania, so they're all big. All my clients are equally important to me.
Can you just explain to regular folk like what's going to happen, the timeline from now?
Yeah, like I said, probably something maybe in about the next month. Like I said, the judge set some motions, some deadlines, and they're going to have to come up with some things. We're going to have to come up with some things, and we're going to move forward with that. So, just kind of pay attention to that. And
right. It seemed like on the bench you guys were sharing a little laugh. Like, have you formed a little friendship with him?
Sharing on the bench? What do you mean on the bench?
Like when you were sitting up there at the table, you were kind of have you formed a little friendship with him?
Yeah, I mean he's my client, and I want him to have trust and faith in me, and I want to have trust and faith in him, and we're human beings, and we have a relationship.
Is he going to have a trust in the system? Is he going to have a trust in the system?
Well, I'm trying to, that's why I talk about presumption of innocence, things like that. I'm hoping to instill that trust in the system with it. Again, I can't comment any further on that.
Do you have any concern about his health, mental health? Do you have to reach out to explore him?
I won't comment on that. That doesn't mean I do or I don't, but I just...
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You're very welcome, folks. Thank you. Nothing, just an attorney-client relationship. You know what I mean? And that's what we do. We try to form a bond.
Your name again, one more time, please.
Thomas, T-H-O-M-A-S, middle initial M as in Mark, Dickey, D-I-C-K-E-Y.
And were you retained by them, or?
I'm not court appointed. I was retained. That's all.
Are you local? Where are you coming from?
My main office is in Altoona.
And you have anything that you can share about your conversations with him, or his state of mind, or anything?
No, I don't.
What do you have to say?
Thank you, sir.
Pardon me?
Your Mr. Statement.
I didn't give a statement. Now you answer questions, and I can't remember everyone.
Can you just, for those of us who couldn't go in there, sir, what happened today?
Well, what happened today is he could have, there was a extradition proceeding. We did not, NOT, add that on there, okay? Because if you're reporting that earlier that we did, that did not happen. We did not waive extradition. We were contesting extradition. We were going to fight this along the rules and with the constitutional protections that my client has, and that's what we're going to do.
Well, how's his family doing?
I'm not going to comment on it.
Why he didn't want to waive extradition, or?
No, that's an attorney-client communication, and
who retained you? Is it the family?
I'm not going to get into that.
How is he doing? Have you talked to him about his last 24 hours?
You guys? No, I haven't. I'm not. I'm here as a lawyer, and that's what I was.
And what's next, sir?
The extradition proceeding. This process is going to move forward, and so I'm anxious to be looking at information.
Is there a new court date? Another court date?
Not yet. Yes, sir.
Who do you like in the Pens game
So.
That's a real question.
Thank you.
Hopefully, for just to answer that one, because I don't play favorites, is let's see if the Pens cannot blow a lead, and hopefully they'll win.
What about Penn State?
Amen.
We're Penn State fan. I hope they can do better than they did the other night.
Yes.
Sure.
Filing a habeas corpus petition?
Yes.
Fire free.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you spell your name?
Yes, Thomas, middle initial MDICKEY.
And you're the attorney for Luigi.
Yes, sir, I am. Okay? Thank you, folks. I appreciate, even though a lot of questions, I appreciate the way you handled me.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
The process can take up to 45 days.
Excuse me.
And then just for context.
And you can always talk to Brittany, my office manager. The thing about court proceedings is that you can always have delays and bumps in the road, but you set time frames and you set timelines, and you hope to stick to them and follow them hopefully as close as possible.
So do you expect the governor of New York, to petition Shapiro to get him extradited quickly back to New York?
I can only go by what the Commonwealth said today in the court, and so I guess time will tell.
If that happens, what do you expect to do?
Well, let's wait and see what happens, and then we'll go from there. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, he'll do it. You can type it, and you don't have to yell it.
You must be pretty good at that. Don't run into the meter there. Maybe I'll give you my card and we can sue the county.